Hi, Prabhu sir. First of all, congratulations on your song. Song is very good. You know how you do this kind of dance and totally like full flaxy, and which kind of preparation for that?
No, as I said before, I'm dancing for last 25 to 30 years. So when shoot happens, then one more shot. We have to do in every set one shot. Then immediately I have to go dress change and ready, take. That's finished.
So you know, Ajay sir, like he is a producer, director, actor. What's a strong point you think Ajay sir as a person?
He, he's already, he's in that high and he believed us and actually, sir believed in us so much. It's very scary because we have to, the responsibility is more and we have to satisfy sir and he never asked a question like what to say. He worked really very, very hard and it's very scary because he believed so much on us. We were like literally me, my writer and all. He must be happy. Must make him many things. I don't know how to put it.
Ajay sir, same question. You like you work so many different directors. First time worked like Prabhu sir as a director. What's the strong point you think Prabhu sir as a director?
I think every which way. Everybody knows he's the best choreographer, best dancer in the country. I would say as a director, he exactly knows what he wants. And he's a fabulous actor himself. So his comedy timing and drama and everything is completely different from how we do in other films. If you see the comic timing in this film, it's completely different. It's not with too many dialogues and things like this. It's just situational and just timing, which he does it himself.
Actually, yesterday we were, re-recording, and the thing is, me, my writer and my dialogue writer were watching Sir, that Sir from heart has acted in this film. We can see that sincerity, that honest, something it's very, from heart he has acted. You can see that somewhere it's so true in the film.
Sir, Prabhu sir, just before that, Ajay sir told me yesterday that you like acting also in between all the shots. So you act it out and you do like to show it across also.
In fact, we ask him.
Yeah. And so
show
the acting, show the dance and all. So why aren't you acting in your films? You act it out for all the actors. You dance for all the actors. So now it's time. Why don't you like to do more than a guest appearance like this?
No, nothing is planned. It happens.
Hi, I'm Divya from Movies Adda. Since you guys have given a tribute to Michael Jackson in this song, this is a question for both of you. When Smooth Criminal and Moonwalker came, how many times did you see that time? You know, it's a rage over there that time. So how many times did you see?
At that time, as kids, we must have seen like 1,000 times. But it's been a long time now.
Prabhu sir?
No counts.
There have been a lot of quirky lines in the film. So what's your favorite?
I really don't know because there are a lot of nice lines and some of them you have not heard which are there in the film. So it confuses me. From what you've heard, I don't know. My son keeps saying it's my way or skyway. And I like the line, मैं सिर्फ एक ही बार बोलूँगा क्योंकि दूसरी बार सुनने के लिए तू नहीं होगा.
Hi Ajay, Rachna. Hi. Prabhu sir obviously doesn't go and see his takes, but did you go and see yours? How you had done it?
No, I never go close to the monitor.
You never do. How many takes?
No.
He never came and saw.
He never
but
did it.
How many takes did he take to perfect his dancing moves?
I think.
This time was hardly dancing.
Everything.
No, so generally in the film also she's asking, in the various dance steps that are there in the whole movie.
No, all dancing 2.5 days, 2 days and all we did the song.
So not too many retakes.
No, 2.5 days, 2 days. It's very unbelievable fast.
Prabhu, I have a question for you also. We always see you in a cameo in your films. There's another director who we've always seen in cameos, which is Subhash Ghai. We always find him in his movies. Is that an inspiration or is it because it always works? Whenever you've been in your films, the ones that you direct, they've always worked.
No, producers makes me, I think.
In this film, I forced him. And for this song also, I forced him. Because he didn't want to release the song. And I said, let's release the song. There's one more song we have in the film. But I said, let's release this song because Prabhu's dancing in this.
Ajay sir, Alok here from OFM. मेरा सवाल है कि आपके दिलवाले में भी डायलॉग हुआ करते थे, फिर गाने आते थे जब कैसेट्स हम खरीदते थे. उसके बाद अभी तू बिछड़न वाली फिल्म जो थी, सन ऑफ सरदार, उसमें भी डायलॉग देन गाने, इसमें भी डायलॉग के साथ गाने. कितना एंजॉय करते हैं इस फॉर्म को जो संगीत का ये फॉर्म आ गया है?
अच्छा लगता है. I'm comfortable with dialogues. I'm comfortable with the language. So I think लोगों को भी अच्छा लगता है वो. तो I try to use it as much as possible.
एंड प्रभु सर, अजय सर ने तो बोल दिया बहुत सारे डायलॉग. एक डायलॉग इस पूरे गाने से अगर आप उठा करके बोलें.
मैं एक ही बार बोलता हूँ क्योंकि दूसरी बार सुनने के लिए तू नहीं होगा.
ऐसा आपने कभी सेट पे बोला एज ए डायरेक्टर किसी यूनिट वाले को या किसी को? नहीं सर, यू डिडंट. अच्छा, इज प्रभु सर as shy like this on set also, sir?
No, he's completely into his work. At that point of time, he's not thinking who's around or what's happening.
And also, sir, Prabhu sir, I've always wanted to ask, you do such lavish films and all. In your mind, have you done sweet, simple love stories that one day you'll want to make also, which don't have to be such grand scales? Have you ever thought of that?
Yeah, I thought.
And you didn't make it at all, you just thought of it.
Producer must accept.
Hi, my question is to Mr. Prabhudeva. I'm Pankaj from glamsham.com. I want to know what is the process behind your choreography and how many days or how do you prepare yourself and how do you come up with the steps? Is it on the set itself or do you take time to prepare?
No, sometimes on the set, but sometimes we prepare. But when we hear the sound, some picture will come.
Okay. Okay. So the leg step which you do in this film, so
Yeah,
was
like
it like that only?
Yeah, that day. I don't know. Yeah.
Sir, I'm putting in the spot. It just comes, na? Sir, can it come now once?
No, it's very difficult.
Achha, but there's a signature step that they promise that they'll do for us, which is just AJ. But generally speaking, you have lucky mascots in your movie. Sonakshi is a lucky mascot. She doesn't like that word. She says, I'm also talented and I'm a lucky mascot. But just to take an extension of that question, do you also think sometimes it can be lucky that, people will start to look forward, like she was talking about another director. Do you feel a luck factor? Like cricket batsmen do it, they do a certain kind of thing every time for a film, some little mannerisms.
Yeah, of course.
So what is your thought process before? Do you do something similarly every time, this pattern will do it and then we'll get on to shooting? Is there some luck factor in your mind? This boy should be there with me all the time. This trolley boy, this camera rig guy, because he's very lucky for me.
No, for every film, actually, all the technicians changes. Everybody, changes. But I don't know, suddenly.
Okay, we'll come back to that.
Professor, hi. When you see full-fledged and acting on your own movie, because you directing so many actors, but when you use one on
ABCD,
that's only one movie, ABCD.
Yeah, enough.
प्रभु सर, मुंबई में आपने घर ले लिया है और नहीं लिया है तो कब लेने वाले?
Soon.
सर, किस तरीके का घर होगा कुछ? क्योंकि आप यहाँ ट्रेवल ही करते रहते हैं, कभी देखा नहीं कि खुद के घर में रहे.
3-bedroom, anything.
So 3-bedroom where you can now afford one in the middle of the sea. So
Bombay is too costly.
Shy and modest as well. Anybody else? Yeah. Are we done? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, one just for the photographers, just that A and J, just the shot. So that would be nice. Yeah.